these trades.
What's up, y'all? So here's the daily recap for April 28th, 2025. So we went 2-0 for today, had a really good trading day. The ironic part was I was actually drumming the majority of the day, so I couldn't even check the market like I really wanted to. But we caught two nice winners, and we're still holding one of our winners. So let's review this trade. So the first thing I do is I always zoom out on the on the daily chart so I can look at the 200 EMA. Now, the first thing that we see is price broke above the 200 EMA. Again, remember, we're on the daily chart. It made a higher low. It broke above the 200 EMA. It's now slowly approaching this strong sell-off area. So as of this point, we are bullish because, again, we are above the 200 EMA. Also, when you zoom out, we see that price has been somewhat oversold. So we're kind of expecting a pullback. So boom, we're going to zoom into the 1 hour chart and see exactly what I did. So now that we're on one of the smaller levels, we have a 1 hour supply zone drawn right here. So we expect that if price comes back here and we get any form of selling, then we should be able to get a move to the downside. So price came here and it did this fake move to the upside, this huge wick. Let's see what it looked like on the 5-minute chart. I haven't been using the 5-minute chart to scalp because I've been getting faked out a lot, but let's see what it looked like on the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart, it's a very strong breakthrough, but then snaps right below. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart, which is where we're actually trading on. And now we're going to actually go into bar replay mode so we can see exactly what I was seeing without the hindsight bias that we now have. So basically, like I said, when price came here, I was looking for any reason to sell. So price came here, it gave us a strong bearish pin bar candle. Now I actually got in this candle. I like to use the low of the candle breaking as my confirmation. So my entry very easily could have been here, which still would have given me almost like a 2-to-1. But I finished drumming around this time, so I was able to get in right here. And this low of this candle did break. So we were able to catch this move, boom, all the way down here. Gave us practically almost a little over a 3-to-1. So we got a nice winner on that. And now that we have this zone marked, if price comes anywhere here, this is a strong 1 hour demand area. So we're expecting buying. I'm looking for a indicator candle to close here. And I'm looking for the high of that indicator candle to break. So we actually already have a bullish pin bar candle right here. Now at this point, I'm already out of the entirety of this trade. So there's no runner here. Let's see what happened. Boom. As soon as I saw this, price actually failed to reach this area. Now, sometimes if price fails to reach a zone, that might mean that zone is so strong that price can't even get to it. So that's what it looked like. So as soon as I saw this bullish pin bar candle, I entered the trade right here when the next candle broke the high. So we're going to see that happen right here. Boom. As soon as the candle broke the high, I entered. My stop loss was right below the wick of this candle. I did want to put the stop loss below here, but that was a slightly further stop loss than we needed. Again, because if this gives us a higher low than this low, we can assume that price wants to go up. If price comes down here, then there's a slight chance that it should break this 1 hour demand. So we only needed our stop loss to be right here, since again, this shows strength, that the fact that the price couldn't even come down to this 1 hour demand. So right now, our first TP was right here. So this actually happened when I was drumming. Again, I didn't even see this trade happen. It all happened automatically. I set my TP. As soon as I saw that I was able to use my phone, I moved my stop loss to break even. So right now we're in a risk-free trade. When price came here, I took out 75% of my profit. And right now, as you can see, oh, nice. Oh, okay. So this is actually live. I didn't realize. So this candle actually just broke above this 1 hour supply. Both of our 1 hour supply zones just got broken with a lot of force by these 3 candles. And one other thing that I see that I'm actually going to mark right now in real time is a new 1 hour demand was formed right here. So this is a new 1 hour demand, which is basically something that you want to see when you're in a trade. You want to see some form of either buying if you're going long, or some sort of selling if you're going short. Right now, I'm in this long position. So right now, my 25% runner you already see it hit 2-to-1. I'm going to hold this for right here because let's see, we're going to zoom out. And sorry, this is a really long daily recap. I just want to make sure that you're really understanding the way that I view the market. So last time price came here, look how far down it went. Price came here, it went all the way down there. So we can assume that if price comes back here, it could give us some type of similar reaction. So I think if this gives me another push up, I'm going to leave my full runner somewhere around this area. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. My Discord is completely free to join. I send all of my daily recaps and all of the trades that I take right there. Again, don't blindly copy a trade just because I send it. Make sure it makes sense to your analysis. And then if you're really understanding my content, you're understanding my strategies, then I do have the full course that teaches you everything that I know. It also comes with free mentorship it also comes with unlimited meetings as well. So take advantage of all that, because that's something I haven't seen any traders offer. I actually haven't. Let me know if you have any questions, and please reach out. I love helping people who have the hunger for knowledge, because when I first started, I didn't really have anyone to guide me. I was really trying to figure this out mainly on my own. So I love being that person that can guide someone who really wants the knowledge. So again, don't hesitate to reach out.